What is happening here? I don't want to scare it away. Oh my goodness. That's gotta be driving you crazy. Yeah, it's gotta be driving you crazy. What, you think that bird's okay? Do you think it's okay? You're telling me lots of stuff. Oh my goodness. What are you gonna do, Mom? What are you gonna do, baby girl? What? Uh-oh, Killer has spied him. It's driving you a little nuts, huh? Well, I'm worried about the bird. This is very odd. Hi, honey. What's the matter? Yeah, Mom. Mm-hmm. I'm really worried about the bird now. But I know I can't go out there because, Lord, if I open this door, you guys are gonna flip out. And the bird will fly away, hopefully. Mama. Yeah, what is happening? What's going on with that bird? We've got to go out there eventually. Poor baby. What's the matter? I know what's going on. What are you going to do about it, sweetie? Dexter, you see the bird? You're not even looking at the bird. What are you looking at? Dexter, you see that there's a bird right here, right? Dex? Goodness gracious, what's happening? Aww. I know, what are we gonna do? We're kind of trapped here. We don't really know what to do with the bird. If it's hurt, I want to go help it, but I mean, why is it just sitting there? There it goes. I guess it's okay. Oh, Mama. Well, on to the next adventure.